Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming eligibility. Make sure Shopify Payments is active, your store has SSL, and you're in a supported country. Once done, sign into Shopify Admin and go to Settings Right Arrow Payments. Under Shopify Payments, select Manage and turn on Apple Pay. This registers your domain automatically using the store's certificate. You do this now because Apple Pay appears only when domain verification and Shopify payments are in place, so enabling it early prevents checkout errors later. Next, verify your domain if Shopify didn't auto-register. Upload the Apple Pay verification file to the root or follow Shopify's guided verification. Then test on a supported device. Use an iPhone or Mac with Apple Pay set up and a test product priced realistically. Add to cart and use the Apple Pay button at checkout. Confirm shipping options, taxes, and that the correct card displays. If Apple Pay doesn't show, make sure the browser is Safari and the device has a configured card. Finally, publish your store changes and monitor initial orders to confirm payments settle in Shopify Payments. Make sure customers see the Apple Pay button on product and cart pages. This indicates a proper rollout. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: verify Safari usage, TLS1. 2 or higher, and that the Apple verification file or automatic domain verification succeeded. Most problems stem from domain or browser mismatches. If needed, recreate the Apple Merchant ID and re-enable Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.